I think most people would agree that knowledge is power. Definitely power. If you are very, very knowledgeable at a particular subject and you just become better and better and better at it, and you become very skilled in that particular area, it's incredible what you can do. Now, one of the things about the financial markets, having been in it for maybe 18, 19 years, is you see trends, behaviours, cycles. They keep repeating themselves over and over again. And what's really, really good about that is you can take full advantage. You can profit massively because you can anticipate what is going to happen next. I'm going to give you an example here. What you were just looking at before was a trade that I made on the DAX German market. Now, I'd anticipated, and I did post and send lots of information out to people just Friday that's just gone. It's Thursday today, it's almost a week later. Just to say that I could see the DAX price falling from 9,900-ish that it was on Thursday last week by maybe 600 pips. So for people who do trade, they'll understand what that means. But 600 points fall is a lot, and if you are on the right side of that trade, and you do extremely well out of it. Now, I anticipated that was going to fall, and I posted, as I say, I did post about it, and I'm just going to move away from view now and just show you the power of that knowledge and skill. So you can see here that the DAX price, the sell price is 9,449 and the buy price is 9,451, and I was selling from 9,900-ish, and I also sold this morning from 9,700. So if you are a trader, you would know that that was very, very good because the DAX has dropped by over 250 points today. The most important thing is the profit. Now, so many people, and you can see it's 7,120, that will just keep moving around whilst I'm talking to you. Now, so many people just seem to spend their lives getting up in the morning, getting in the car, driving however long it takes in rush hour traffic to work, after perhaps dropping the kids off at school, and they get to work, perhaps, I don't know, maybe they don't like their job, they don't like their boss, maybe some of the people they work with annoy them, but whatever it is, people do have a blooming stressful time of it during their daily lives. And then perhaps at the weekend they might get a bit of respite, and then have a dread on Sunday night that in the morning they're going to wake up and it all starts over again. And it's just like Groundhog Day over and over and over again if you've seen the film, and it can become extremely exasperating for people, very, very stressful, and really, you know, they're not truly living the lives that they want to live. Now, there's a lot of clever people out there that are very, very good at what they do, but they also don't realise that there are other things that they could do that may be very suitable for them. I don't know. And trading perhaps could be one of them. This is something that I absolutely love. It is my passion. It is something that I teach people to do on a daily basis because I want to make a difference in people's lives. And I can prove that. I can help people to gain the knowledge. I can help people to have the skill, and skill is very important. The third thing, desire, which is absolutely key. I can't do that. I can't plant that desire in people's head. They have to find that for themselves, and that desire usually comes from a need to want to change, to maybe improve their financial security, maybe to be able to buy a bigger house, maybe to get another car. Whatever it is that is important to somebody, yeah, there is always another way. There is always another way. Now, I haven't got a clue what that number is going to look like up there now, so let's have a look. Okay, so it's now 7,234, but I had to, at some point, make that trade, yeah, by using my knowledge, skill and desire to be able to want to make a profit there, but also to put certain disciplines in place to make sure that I wasn't going to lose very much money had I got it wrong. Now, I wouldn't say it's unusual for me to get it wrong, because sometimes you do, occasionally you will, but because of the way that you actually manage the financial situation, it's not going to ever hurt you. Okay, that's the important thing, and I suppose a misconception with people. They think maybe this is such a risky thing to get into. It's not if you stick to certain money management principles. There's a way to do things, and there's a way not to do things. And I aim to always do things the right way, to manage the money the right way when I trade, so that I'm always making profits, and if I do actually have any losses, then I cut those losses as quickly as possible so it doesn't hurt me. So I believe that I can teach anybody how to do this, anybody that does have that desire to want to make a change in their life. I don't know, maybe their life is absolutely brilliant, maybe it's, you know, having a great time of it, but if they're not and they're looking for something different, the way that technology has gone, anybody can be able to do this, providing that they do acquire that skill, that knowledge, and the desire to want to keep at it and seeing it through right to the end to make a difference in their life. So let's have another look. I can hear a siren going on outside. It's like Starsky and Hutch out here. Okay, so that number has changed around a bit. 7,300. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? I don't know, but I do actually have a figure in mind where I believe that's going to go to. And again, that's down to that skill and knowledge. Experience is very, very important, of just, as I said before, understanding the way that the markets work. You have to use that to take full advantage. So if you are somebody that would like to have a go at this, then